If you're seeing the Epic Games error code Esp-Dist-001, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through several simple fixes that can usually get you back into the game fast. This issue is often caused by a cache problem, a network connection issue, corrupted game files, or even an installation mismatch on PC. So stay with me and follow each step in order, because the easiest fix is not always the one that works first. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, on PC, we want to clear the Epic Games web cache. To do that, press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the run box. In the field, type %local app data% and press enter. This will open your local app data folder. Now look for the web cache folder related to Epic Games and delete it. Clearing this cache can remove broken temporary files that may be triggering the Esp-Dist-001 error. After that, close everything and restart the Epic Games launcher to see if the issue is gone. If the error is still happening, the next step is to power cycle your network equipment. Turn off your console or PC completely, then unplug your modem and router from power and wait for about 60 seconds. This full reset helps clear temporary network issues and can refresh your connection. After the minute is up, plug the modem and router back in, wait for all the lights to stabilize, and only then turn your gaming device back on. Once you're back online, try launching the game again. If that still doesn't fix it, move on to verifying your game files. This step is for PC only. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find Fortnite, or the game that's giving you the error, and click the 3 dots below the game tile. From the menu, select Manage, and then click Verify. Epic Games will scan the installation and repair any missing or corrupted files automatically. This can take a few minutes, but it's one of the best ways to fix launch errors and content distribution issues. When the verification finishes, try starting the game again. If you're still getting Esp-Dist-001, the problem may be related to your internet connection itself. A quick way to test this is to switch to a mobile hotspot. Connect your PC or console to your phone's hotspot and try launching the game again. If it works on hotspot but not on your home network, that usually means the issue is tied to your ISP. In that case, you may need to contact your internet provider and ask them to check for IP blocks, MAC address restrictions, or DNS problems. Another important PC fix is to make sure the game and the Epic Games launcher are installed on the same drive. If the launcher is on one drive and Fortnite is on another, that can sometimes cause errors during startup or content access. Check your installation locations carefully. If they are on different drives, the cleanest fix is to uninstall Fortnite and reinstall it on the same drive as the Epic Games launcher. That helps make sure both programs can communicate properly. If you followed all of these steps, one of them should usually clear the Esp-Dist-001 error. Start with the cache, then restart your network, then verify files, test another internet connection, and finally check your installed drive setup. And if the video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future gaming troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.